Hi, welcome to FreshFinds,
where we find products that are perfect for your brand. I'm Dave.
and I'm Linda. And Dave, we have the coolest little product here for you today. It's a cleaning cloth in a printed pouch. Your logo goes on the printed pouch right here. And I just love them so much because you need one everywhere. I have one attached to my backpack, and I have to say that I use it all the time. I mean, I wear glasses, so I definitely use it, and I always am searching for one if I don't have my backpack around, so I could use a couple more.
No, they really do come in handy. I got one in my truck that I use on my digital screen in there, and then I got one at my desk at work. Perfect for cleaning off the phone, cleaning off a tablet. They really just come in handy everywhere.
And they come in so many colors, and just pretty colors everywhere. And if you're into recycling and sustainability, there is an option for a recycled, 100% recycled polyester microfiber version that you can get.
Yeah.
That's pretty handy.
Also a heathered version as well.
I love the heathered.
Yeah.
That's very cool. I actually haven't seen one kind of like that before.
That's very fun.
I
Yeah.
do like it. So Dave, what do we have next?
We have the Crossland Picnic Blanket, and I love these things. These are so handy for the back of your vehicle, just taking out if you're gonna have a picnic at the park with the family or friends. These are just really, really handy. They're just amazing.
I know, there's so many uses for this, and one of the things that I like best is, because you all know you can put one of these in your car, is that it doesn't unravel on you because it fastens shut. So you can toss it into the back seat and not have to worry about it unfolding and becoming a mess back there.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of different color options here, obviously, and you love plaid, you love all these different colors, but they're really handy. They have that polyester backing on there, so it kind of helps with the cold if you're having a early spring picnic or what have you. It insulates you a little bit there and really, really comes in handy.
Water resistant, it's so cool.
Yes.
And then also, there's this little pocket here, that you can put whatever you want in. If you're going on a picnic and it's gonna be a sunny day, throw your sunglasses in here, who knows? It's very convenient to have this little pocket for whatever you need to take along with you.
Yeah, and also available in 24-hour rush in case you gotta get these fast. That's great to have that option in case you're last second. I mean, we're all guilty of it. I'm guilty
Yes,
myself.
me too.
Yeah.
Well, and also it comes in both a screen print version and an embroidered version. So you have your options there, and the embroidery always looks so kind of high end. I like the way the embroidery always looks. So lots of options for this, lots of uses for this.
Yeah, tons, endless. What's also great about this is it's the Crossland product, so it's exclusive to us. We have tons of different options for the Crossland products on our website. Easy to search, easy to find. I love these. They're a go-to for me just because I know I can trust it. I know I'm gonna get a quality product, and they really always stand up great. And what do we have next, Linda?
We have the Whammo Bluetooth Speaker. Look at this little thing. I just the logo goes right here on the grill of the speaker, and look at how nice that white imprint pops off of that. If you want to get your logo told to everyone, this is a great background to do it on.
Yeah, it's a great quality product, a great giveaway, a corporate gift, employee giveaway, whatever you're thinking here. This is something they're gonna use, keep, puts your logo on the front. You do have that one color imprint. Like you said, it does come in a full color imprint, and it also has an option for a 24-hour rush, so it really helps cover everything that you could potentially be looking for.
And this has a lot of nice little features. Like, for one thing, it's a 4-hour playback. It has a lithium battery, and it has a microphone built in, which not a lot of these little speakers have, but the microphone feature, so if you need to take a phone call or something, you could do it right through the speaker. And it comes in the black version and the white version.
And those were another 3 great products.
Don't forget to tune in next time for more Fresh Finds.